In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a deposit in QuickBooks Online. Managing your financial records accurately is crucial, and sometimes this involves removing entries that were either made in error or are no longer required. To get started, log into QuickBooks Online as you usually would. Once you're logged in, you'll need to navigate to the left menu. Depending on the layout of your QuickBooks account, you might click on either Sales or Banking. If you go through banking, head over to the bank register, or alternatively, you can go through the accounting section by clicking on the chart of accounts. From there, select the bank account related to the deposit you wish to delete, then click on View Register. This will bring you to a list where you can locate the specific deposit transaction. Once you have found the deposit, click on it to open up the transaction details. This will provide you with a deeper look into that specific entry. Now, to delete it, look towards the bottom of the transaction window for the More button. Go ahead and click that. You will see an option to delete. Choose that and confirm your decision by clicking Yes. And just like that, the deposit is removed from your QuickBooks Online records. If you need any further assistance or visual aid with this process, feel free to reach out for screenshots or additional tips. Now let's segue into another essential aspect of using QuickBooks Online, tracking billable time for your employees and contractors. Whether you're managing detailed projects or just keeping tabs on hours, knowing how to enter billable time effectively is a game changer. First, ensure that you have enabled time tracking within your QuickBooks Online settings. Start by logging in and clicking on the gear icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Go to Account and Settings, then navigate to the Advanced tab. Look for the time tracking section and click the Edit button, which usually resembles a pencil icon. Here, you'll want to turn on options like Add Service Field to Timesheets and make Single Time Activity billable if you haven't already. Once everything is set, click Save and then Done to lock in your settings. With time tracking enabled, you're ready to enter billable time. From the left menu, click on the plus New button. Here, you'll have the choice between single time activity or weekly timesheet. Select according to your preference. Fill in the necessary details for either option. You'll start by choosing the employee or contractor's name, then select the customer or project you plan to bill for. Pick the appropriate service or task that was performed, enter the date and the hours worked, and make sure to check the box that marks the time as billable. If there are any specific notes or descriptions you'd like to add, there's room for that too. Finally, you can either click Save and Close if you're done, or Save and New if you have additional times to enter. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to both deleting deposits and entering billable time in QuickBooks Online.